Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the world of OCaml and why frame pointers are suddenly a big deal. It's all about improving profiling and debugging, folks.
Right, I've heard whispers about this. So the core issue is that standard profiling tools like perf struggle with OCaml 5, right? Because of the non-contiguous stacks?
Exactly. OCaml 5's multi-core implementation uses these non-contiguous stacks, which are essentially invisible to tools like perf. They're stored in runtime allocated memory, not directly on the stack like in C or C++. This leads to truncated or incorrect profiling data.
So frame pointers are the solution. How do they help?
Yes. Frame pointers provide a consistent way to track the call stack, regardless of the underlying hardware architecture. Think of them as a reliable pointer to the base of the current function's stack frame. This allows tools like perf to accurately unwind the stack and get a clear picture of what's happening.
I see. But isn't adding frame pointers an overhead? More instructions, more memory usage?
That's a great question. The overhead is actually minimal. For ARM64, it's just a few extra instructions, ASTP, an LDP, and an add. And the extra stack space is usually already allocated anyway due to alignment requirements. It's a small price to pay for significantly improved profiling and debugging capabilities.
Interesting. So this work focused on AMD 64 and ARM 64 initially? What about other architectures?
Yes, those are the most common platforms. They've made great progress there, with support already in OCaml 5.3 and 5.4 for those architectures. But the goal was broader, to support all Tier 1 platforms. AMD 64, ARM 64, RISC-V, S390X, and Power. They've made a good start, but RISC-V still needs some work, and S390X and Power are still in the early stages.
So what's the next step? More work on those other architectures?
Precisely. They need to finish the remaining platforms, and then do some benchmarking, especially for ARM 64, to confirm the minimal overhead. And there's also a new manual section planned to explain how to use frame pointers effectively with perf. If you're an OCaml enthusiast with some low-level expertise, this is a great opportunity to contribute.
That sounds exciting. It seems like a significant improvement for the OCaml ecosystem. This makes debugging and profiling much easier, especially for larger projects.
Absolutely. It's a huge win for the OCaml community. And it's a testament to the power of open-source collaboration. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of OCaml frame pointers. Until next time.
Bye-bye.